MES College, Marambally, e-learning.
Myself, Bhavya Menon, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics, MES College, Marambally. Today, I am presenting before you the topics on programming languages and data types and the directives which are used in 8051 microcontroller. This is mainly focusing on the 5th semester BSc Electronics for the course Microcontrollers and Application. To begin with, what are the programming languages? What are the different types of programming languages? As we all know, the programming languages are basically divided into two categories, low level language and high level language. The low level language is again classified as machine language and assembly language. And all the programming languages that we are using now are high level languages. What are low level languages? A low level language is a type of programming language that contains basic instructions recognized by a computer. One of the low level language is machine language. The machine language is also known as binary language. It consists of zeros and ones. For example, 10000001. It is an example for machine language. The second one is assembly language. In an assembly language, the source code is converted into object code by means of an assembler. The assembly language usually contains small words in English alphabets. These are known as mnemonics. Example, for addition we write ADD, subtraction we write SUB, move MOV, etc. This is the different types of low level language, machine language and assembly language. And the assembly program that we are writing is known as the source code, and the source code should be converted into object code, that is the machine language or machine level code. This assembly program is converted into the machine language with the help of an assembler, that is the assembler converts assembly code into the machine code. Next one is high level languages. What is a high level language? A high level language is a programming language designed to simplify computer programming. The source code is converted into object code with the help of a compiler or an interpreter. Most common programming languages are considered as high level languages. Example, C, C++, Java, Python, etc. And the high level language program, that is the source code, is converted into the machine language or assembly language with the help of a compiler or an interpreter. Now, what is the main difference between low level language and high level language? In a high level language, it is easy for humans to read, write and modify, whereas in a low level language, it is hard for humans to read, write and modify. The programs run slower as they make worse use of CPU and are not very memory efficient. Direct control over the CPU means memory use is more efficient and the programs run faster. In a high level language, no understanding of how hardware components work is needed. For a low level language, good understanding of how the different hardware components work is needed. Examples for high level languages are Python, Java, C, C++, etc. For low level language, examples are machine code and assembly language. Now we can go towards the directives and the data types used in 8051 microcontroller. What are directives? Directives are also known as pseudocode. Directives are instructions used by the assembler to help to automate the assembly process and to improve the program readability. Assembler directives are the instructions that direct the assembler to do something. Assigns a value to a symbol which is same as equal to, sets the current origin to a new value. This is used to set the program or register address during assembly. Data type. 8051 microcontroller has only one data type, and that is DB, which stands for define byte. The DB directive is the most widely used data directive in the assembler. It is used to define this 8-bit data. When DB is used to define data, the numbers can be in decimal, binary, hex or ASCII format. When DB is used to define data, the numbers can be in decimal, binary, hex or ASCII formats. For decimal, the D after the decimal number is optional, but using B for binary and H for hexadecimal is required. To indicate ASCII, simply place the characters in quotation marks. The assembler will assign the ASCII code for the numbers or characters automatically. The DB directive is the only directive that can be used to define ASCII strings larger than 2 characters. Therefore, it should be used for all ASCII data definition. There are certain examples using DB. The program starts with origin, that is ORG 2000H. If you are giving the data as DB28, 28 stands for a decimal number. DB1234H, that H indicates the given number is a hexadecimal number. If we are writing DB in quotes ABCD, it means that that given value is an ASCII character. These are the different ways of representing the values in DB, that is using the defined byte. The next one is origin, which ORG. ORG stands for origin. The ORG directive is used to indicate the beginning of the address. The number that comes after ORG can be either in hex or in decimal. If the number is not followed by H, it is decimal, and then the assembler will convert it to hex. Some assemblers use .org instead of org for the origin directive. Next directive which we are using is end, END. This indicates to the assembler the end of the source or an assembly file. The end directive is the last line of an 8051 program, meaning that in the source code, anything after the end directive is ignored by the assembler. Some assemblers use .end instead of end. Next directive that we are using in 8051 is EQU, which stands for equate. This is used to define a constant without occupying a memory location. EQ directive does not set aside storage for a data item, but associates a constant value with a data label, so that when the label appears in the program, put constant value will be substituted for the label. The following uses EQU for the counter constant, and then the constant is equated to load the R3 register. Example, const stands for constant, EQU 25, which means that the const is having a value 25. If you are giving the equation, if you are giving the instruction move a comma hash const, it means that a is loaded with the value 25. Wherever we are using the value const, it will be equated to 25. So, these are the different directives that we are using in 8051, that is That single data type is DB, which stands for defined byte. Then the directives that we are using is one ORG, that is for origin. Origin of the data is given always using the directive ORG. It can be either hexadecimal or it can be decimal. If you are giving the value H, means that hexadecimal. If there is no symbol or if there is no letters written, it means that the given value is decimal value. The second one is end, which means that end of the program. We can use either end or we can use .end. And next one is EQU, that is equate, which means that we can equate the given variable to a particular value. Wherever we are using that value, the same constant will be equated, and these are the different directives. Thus, we have gone through the programming languages. We have two programming language, that is basically we are classifying the programming language into two categories, low level language and high level language. Low level language is again classified into two, that is machine language and assembly language. This assembly language we are writing in small English letters which are known as mnemonics, and in machine language we are giving zeros and ones, which is also known as binary language. And there is a medium language, C language is a medium level language, and high level language. High level language C++, Java, Fortran, COBOL, etc. are all high level language. And then we have gone through 8051 data types and directives. Thank you.